Hi students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to explain fourth chapter in science, heat, for class 7th. In this chapter we are discussed about the topic thermometer. Then what is thermometer? Thermometer is a device that are used to measure the temperature of an object. Then what is temperature? Temperature is a physical quantity that express hotness and coldness of an object. Thermometer can be divided into four types, that is clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, digital thermometer, maximum minimum thermometer. Let's we have discussed one after the another. First is clinical thermometer. This clinical thermometer used for measuring human or animal body temperature. Means this clinical thermometer is only used to measure the human body temperature or animal body temperature. The scale is used to measure the temperature is known as degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. The thermometer used by us or doctors to measure the body temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius or from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. It consists of a long, slender, and uniform glass tube with a bulb at one end containing mercury. There is a small shining thread of mercury outside the bulb. There is a kink near the bulb which prevents mercury level from falling on its own. This clinical thermometer reads from only 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. It consisting of a long glass tube with a bulb at one end containing mercury, and it also contains a kink near the bulb which prevents mercury level from falling on its own. Then how to read this clinical thermometer? While using the clinical thermometer to measure the human body temperature, some measures must be followed to ensure proper reading of temperature. First is wash the thermometer properly with an antiseptic solution or with a water. First, this clinical thermometer was properly washed by using antiseptic solution or by using a water. Hold it definitely and give a few jerks which will bring the level of mercury down below 35 degrees Celsius. Place the bulb of the thermometer under the tongue. Wait for 1 minute. Take the thermometer out and note the reading, keeping the level of mercury along the line of a sight. This readings gives the exact body temperature. Or 39 degrees Celsius. It should be handled with care as on hitting against some hard object it can break. Okay, this bulb container mercury, it is very poisonous, so you should maintain some care. It's clear. First is you should wash the clinical thermometer properly with an antiseptic solution and hold it definitely and give some jerks which will bring the level of mercury down below 35 degrees Celsius, and place the bulb of the thermometer under the tongue. Wait for 1 minute and take the thermometer out and note the reading. This reading gives the exact body temperature, and it is necessary to state the temperature with its unit denoted by degrees Celsius, and it should be handled with care as on hitting against some hard object it can break. Next is human body temperature. The normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius, which may differ from person to person. It may either slightly higher or slightly lower. Means some persons having a 35 degrees Celsius or some persons will having a 38 degrees Celsius. This value is derived from the average body temperature of a large number of hale and hearty persons. The temperature of human body normally does not go below 35 degrees Celsius or above 42 degrees Celsius. If the body temperature goes beyond the defined value, then it is necessary to consult a doctor. That is the reason that clinical thermometer has a scale ranging from meters. In that we have discussed about clinical thermometers and reading a clinical thermometers and human body temperature. It's clear, students. Thank you all.